Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ekta and I have started chapter 2 polynomial class 9. So I am proceeding to my chapter 2 exercise 2.1. So we are doing question number 1 of exercise 2.1. What is the question number 1? Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? So I have already explained you about polynomial. What are polynomials? The algebraic expressions whose powers or exponents are in whole numbers, or you can say non-negative numbers or whole numbers. These are the polynomials. So as we can see in this algebraic expression or polynomial, is it a polynomial or not? We will find. The powers of the variables here is 4x square minus 3x. Power here is 1 plus 7. What is the power here? Here the power of x is x raised to power 0, because if base has power 0 then its value is 1. So as you can see, all the powers are non-negative or whole numbers. What are whole numbers? What are whole numbers? Whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the whole numbers. As you can see, all the powers here are whole numbers. So it is a polynomial. This algebraic expression is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. But we have to find out, is the polynomial is in one variable or not? I have already explained you, if there is only one variable given in the whole expression, as you can see here, only x is the variable. Here x is the variable only. So x is the only variable here. That means the given expression is the polynomial in one variable. So the given expression is polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. So this is our question number 1. Now second part is y square plus root 2. Is it a polynomial, or if it is a polynomial, is it a polynomial in one variable or not? Let us find out. I can write here y square plus root 2, and here what is the value of y is y raised to power 0. As you can see here, powers of y is in whole numbers. Whole numbers. Therefore, it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial, and as you can see, there is only one variable y in this polynomial. Here is only y is a variable. So the given polynomial is in one variable. Given variable is in one variable. As you can see, the exponents, or you can say powers, are whole numbers here or positive here. This is a polynomial and there is only one variable, that is variable y. That means the given polynomial is in one variable. Now proceeding to the next one. This is the question number 3rd. What are the powers here? Root t. Root t means t raised to power 1 by 2 plus t raised to power 1 here and √2. Is the power of t here is a whole number? No, it is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is a rational number. It is not a whole number. That means this is not a polynomial. Power of t is not a whole number. Therefore, this is not a polynomial. Not a. Question number 4. What are the powers here? I can write this expression as y raised to power 1 plus 2. Here, if I converted y, then I can write it as y raised to power minus 1. What are the powers of y here? Powers of y are 1 and minus 1. It is a negative number, and minus 1 is not a whole number. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Therefore, this expression is not a polynomial. Therefore, the given expression is not a polynomial because the power here is minus 1 also. X raised to power 10, y raised to power 3 and t raised to power 50. Is it a polynomial? Let us find out. As you can see, all the powers here are positive, or you can say whole number. Powers here are 10, 3 and 50. These all are whole numbers. Therefore, the given expression is a polynomial. Therefore, it is a polynomial. But is this polynomial in one variable? Let us find out. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3 different variables. There are 3 variables. Here, x, y and t are 3 variables. Are 3 variables. 3 variables. Therefore, it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial in only one variable. As you can see, there are 3 different variables in the given expression. Okay, understood? Now we will proceed to this chapter in our next class. Otherwise class बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी हो जाएगी, तो बाकी बचे हुए जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं we will do in our next class. सो आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. लेक्चर अगर आपको पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. आगे भी बाकी अपने जितने भी फ्रेंड्स हैं सभी को आप शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच. आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. बाय बाय.